Hello and welcome to my tutorial for my IPT assessment, and this tutorial will be about how to, well, it will contain three things: how to make a button in Adobe Flash CS5, how to link a button to a sound, and how to link pages together using the timeline instead of different scenes. So let's get started. It's easy to make a button. The button is just a shape with text, whatever. You right click on it, go down to convert to symbol, ensure that's selected as button, but I already have my buttons for this tutorial made. So the button for this page is it. Okay. So after you've done that, you're going to want to make another frame by going to insert blank keyframe over here and go into it. You're going to make two more buttons here, one to go back, preferably this. If you're doing styled buttons, so different colored buttons, the one to go back would look nicer if it's the same style as that, and one for the sound. Okay. There's a code that you use to make these link to different frames. For me, I found it in code snippets. For you, I'll post it on the description if you don't have code snippets in yours. If you're in your Adobe Flash, I'll post it in the description. You can just edit it. What it is you select the button, and I'm not sure how it labels these buttons, but this is apparently labeled button 5. And over here it says go to and stop. You choose what frame. In this case, it's frame 2. In this one, it's going to be frame 1. And there you go. These buttons now link back and forth. Now you want to make this button play sound. First you're going to have to import the sound. File, import to the library. You get this. Import a sound, you can select more than one, import more than one. You have to make sure for Mac, if you're going to import a sound, it's going to have to be AIF. For Windows, it's going to have to be WAV. Well, you can't import WAV into Mac, I know that. So for Mac you're going to have to convert it. For Windows you might have to convert it. Depends. Okay, so to get it, go to this, you double click on it, and you get this here. So like that. You get it exactly like this. Up is when you take your cursor off the button. Over is when you put your cursor on the button. Down is when you click down on it. And hit is when you release. If you want a soundboard to, after you click, make the sound, you want hit. You're going to insert a keyframe there. This is the easiest thing to do. Just drag the sound from your library anywhere on there, and that button is now linked to a sound. It's as easy as that, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you. Just to show you proof that it works. Okay. Please go back and forth.
Enemy nuke incoming! It's over!
Very easy. It's as easy as it gets. So, hope you enjoyed this tutorial.